Regardless of road surface or driving purpose, the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT350 instills driver poise and confidence. This design is fundamental to the GT350's controlled, inspiring performance qualities, enabled by an optimized center of gravity and balanced front-rear weight distribution. The GT350's athletic stance is accentuated with contoured fenders that create wide wheel wells to accommodate a wide track and large wheels. Electric power rack and pinion steering system is precise and responsive, thanks in part to steering arm attachments that spread dual ball joints further apart, moving the steering angle more outboard and increasing steering responsiveness as a result. The tuning pack for the steering system provides 5 selectable mode settings: Normal for daily driving use, Sport for spirited on-road driving, Track for use on a road course, Drag Strip for optimized quarter-mile performance, and Slippery for enhanced traction and stability on low coefficient surfaces. MagneRide shock absorbers continuously adapts damping on the GT350 to best suit the road and driving dynamics. Regardless of speed, surface, pitch, dive, yaw, or roll, the MagneRide dampers respond to conditions within milliseconds. Ultra-high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires have been specially developed for the GT350 and carry a tread and compound combination designed for high-performance traction and stability. Stiffer, lightweight 19-inch wheels are wide for an enhanced footprint and tire patch and ensure connectivity from the road to the driver. The 2020 GT350 has one of the most powerful brake systems ever applied on a production Mustang. Both front and rear rotors are a 2-piece design with an aluminum hat and matched with calipers from Brembo that are 6 pistons on the front, 4 pistons on the rear. The brakes are high-performance tuned for optimized pedal feel and stopping distance. All of these refinements not only instill driver confidence, but contribute to the 2020 Shelby GT350 being one of the most track-ready street-legal Mustangs ever produced.